If you've had some kind of damage in your neighborhood, you do want to get an experienced roofer to come look at it and give you a detailed look at what might be wrong with the roof before you call your insurance company. Because once you call your insurance company and you don't have a claim, you cannot show them the damage you have on your home, then it's a mark against your insurance for calling and reporting a claim that's not justified. If I come out and I tell you, I'm sorry, I can't find damage, I'm not trying to keep you from getting a claim, because the thing is, if I could find damage, there's a good chance that Drawdy Roofing can put your roof on.